I have a really tiny demo that I did maybe during Omnis. Hmm, there was a complaint from the CEO about branch models getting too long and weirdly ordered, so now they're alphabetically ordered. And if you put a slash, they will nest themselves. They only nest one layer. They don't want to deal with it. Don't do that. But yeah, so there's nested branch model menus. So yeah, that will go out later today probably.
Uh, Luke, what's the structure? Could you just show us what do you have to do to make the nesting happen?
So this is this like the branch name here. We should see it here is Luke/draft.
Ah,
So basically, you just put a slash in it. It's a convention from GitHub and Git that kind of does a lot of Git tools do that. So we
very
just borrowed.
snazzy.
This one's evil. This is actually Jared/Jared/Jared. So that's why you're seeing a slash in there. I was testing that it's working. So yeah. The one I guess caveat, and maybe this is wrong, is that if you use like Luke and Luke/something, the one that's just Luke, or in this case just Jared's going to end up inside that nest. I should optimize this one too. I'll go fix that because it looks like we didn't. This is somewhere else. But yeah, so I'll optimize things.
Quick question on this, like before it goes into production,
Yeah,
is
yeah,
just
yeah.
the current mode is like the sorted by last updated. And so right now the things that people are actively working on bubble to the top. So I'm just moderately concerned about rolling this out without a way for people to actually be like, oh, I want to toggle between alphabetical and last updated or something along those lines.
Speaking as just and granted this is a support request, it's too chaotic now to understand. So like I think the lack of convenience that you have as the developer having to go through the list will pay for now. And if we want to like badge new stuff or something like that, there's good solves there. But I think that's a fine trade-off for now.
Okay.
I do think there's probably an argument for like we have new branch, like a managed branches that jumps you into like the model settings and gives you like a page where you can
Yeah.
like quickly delete branches and like sort them and do all the things.
Yeah. Jamie actually started working on that this week, I think.
Yeah, I'm always a little fearful of like trying to pack too much functionality into tiny menus.
That totally makes sense. I just like I also know that people do have these massive lists right now, and we don't have a good way to manage them, and all of a sudden they're going to be lost in like, wait a second, it used to be I just went to one of the top 3 and now I'm don't know where I am.
In some ways it's a good thing because now you're forced to go clean them.
Yeah.
And like you have tools to manage them, which I think they're in a better state.
And you can all fight for the highest, number of A's or spaces or something.
It's like the phone book.
Sweet. AAA branch.
I can do a quick one here.